Good job, Jonas. Jonas, swing and swing. Whee! Whoa. 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 Hi, Jonas. Hi, Jonas. Looks a little scared.
He's like, I'm not sure about this thing. Whatever. And he's all like this.
Whee! Good thing you don't know what that is.
Swings always smell like dirty metal. I remember Kelly Lee and Kyle put me in one of these bucket things one time, and I slipped all the way through.
How?
Because it was like one side, it wasn't like where you could put them on whichever side. It was like open back here, and I was like, boom, straight through, and I went in my head.
That explains so much, Kiku.
I remember Kelly was like, you're okay.
Oh my God. Why is bucket swing scary? Are you done? Want to get out? Up, okay.